The man accused of attempting to assassinate then presidential candidate Donald Trump was back in court today for the final time before his trial starts next week. Routh is representing himself against the United States government against the recommendation of Judge Eileen Cannon. A lot of things happened during this pretrial hearing. We're going to go over some of the big points, one of them being Routh's clothing. The prosecution says they have communications between Routh and Routh's daughter talking about slogans that would appear on Routh's business attire that he would wear during proceedings. This was previously barred by Judge Cannon in an earlier hearing. When asked about it, Routh said that that's incorrect. After he was told that he couldn't wear anything with slogans or messages, he didn't promote the situation. Now, he didn't deny the existence of these slogans, and Judge Cannon instructed him to wear only business-appropriate attire that was previously talked about. After a lunch break, Routh was then criticized for his witness list, which included over 10 new witnesses, including the President of the United States, pro-Palestinian protesters, and professors from Harvard. Routh said that these people would be able to speak to his character. The prosecution said none of these witnesses are relevant and it is well past the deadline to submit new witnesses. Judge Cannon denied this new proposed witness list, and we are now only sticking with the 4 character witnesses approved previously. Routh then introduced 2 motions, one to suppress new evidence brought by the prosecution. That motion was denied by Judge Cannon, saying that it did not contribute to their case in chief. The second motion was for Routh to introduce new letters written by himself. The new letters were denied, but Judge Cannon did say that they could potentially introduce the last page of his Dear World letter, where he talks about ripping apart President Donald Trump's airplane. A lot more developments are coming in this case. Jury selection starts next week and opening statements start September 11th, but we do have to get through some of the rulings that did not get closed during this pretrial hearing. So stay up to date with all the latest developments. Follow and subscribe to CBS 12 on all socials to stay up to date.